What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. I know, guys, I know, batch filming, okay? Y'all gonna have to bear with me, but I'm trying to knock out these favorite videos so I can be done with them. So today we are going to be talking about my favorite wash and go combos. One of you asked me if I would do one, so I said, well, let me go ahead and throw it into my favorites, okay? So these are gonna be my favorite wash and go combos for 2025, I should say. And hopefully you enjoy them. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so one of my favorite wash and go combos is the Nature's Little Secret Avocado Cream and the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls. This is a really good combo, moisturizing, shiny, all the things. Everything that I said about this gel, my favorite gels, still goes even with this. And y'all know this was in my favorite hair milk. So these two together was a wash and go combo made in heaven. And I love these two together. Again, I will try to link my combos up here if I have enough space. If not, I might try to put them in the description box. But hey, worst come to worst, just search my channel, Ice Curls or Nature's Little Secret or whatever, and these videos are gonna come up. Or just look at my wash and go playlist and you'll find these videos as well. But this is a really good combo. Another really good combo with Ice Curls is putting it with the Powder and Mousse. This was a really good combo as well. It's something about this powder and mousse that's moisturizing, but it also helps to define the hair. And then when you top it with the gel, it's just so defined, but still not real crunchy, but definitely has a hold. It has shine. It grows over the days. I just love this combo. I'll link it here. It was a good one. It was a good one. And I like the fact that I don't have to use a leave-in under this if I don't want to. Now, if you guys want to use a leave-in under your mousse gel combos, you can. I have before, and it works well. But if I don't, if I'm in a hurry and I just want to leave out a step and put this and this, I still get a really good wash and go that's defined, juicy, plump, movable, and everything, and still moisturized. So yeah, now I'm not trying to keep mine for 7 days, so I want to preface that. Could I? Probably. Do I? No. I usually will wash it out day 4, day 5, something like that. But that's a really good combo as well. Another combo that's really good, I just recently did because someone suggested it, was the Camille Rose Curl Love and Nature's Little Secret Okra Curl Defining Gel. Match made in heaven again. This one is really good too. I didn't think about putting these two together because this is kind of thick and then this is like a cream gel, and I was like, I don't know, it might be a little bit too thick. No, it worked well. I'll link it. I'll link it. I can't remember if, I don't think I actually filmed it, but I think I came on and talked about it. So yeah, if I didn't film it, I think I might go ahead and film it for you guys. I'm not gonna say when, but I'll try to film it. But definitely I have a video where I came on and talked about this combo, and it was really good. And I think I came on and my hair was in this combo when I talked about it. So I'll try to link that video, but this is really good. Very moisturizing again, very defined, just touchable hair, everything that I like. Y'all know what I like in my wash and go, so this is what I like. If you like something different than what I like, I don't know if these will work for you or not, but they the bomb for me. They're the bomb for me. Okay, so another combo, I couldn't pick a favorite. I couldn't pick a favorite. But this right here, this whole Blends hair jelly, use any leave-in with it, it's gonna work. Any leave-in. Any leave-in, because every leave-in that I used on my channel with this was good. Okay, I'll leave 1 or 2 up in the cards for you, or you can search my channel, hair jelly or Whole Foods or whatever, not Whole Foods, Whole Blends, and they should come up. But I can't even pick a favorite. I mean, all of them were good, all of them worked. So whatever your favorite leave-in is, try it with this and let me know how it goes. But yeah, this is good. I didn't already talked about it in my favorites video. If y'all didn't see my favorites gels video, go and look at that and see what I said about this, and then you'll know. I can't keep going over all the stuff because I'll be here all day, guys. I'll be here all day. Okay, guys, another combo is that I love is the Curls Coconut Curlata Conditioner and the African Pride Curl Defining Gel again. This is good. I used this on my channel a while back. I'll link the video in the cards, but I also used it again recently and got a great wash and go again. This is actually a rinse out conditioner, but I use it as a leave-in. It's really thick and it's really moisturizing. So for you fine hair girlies, this might be a little much. I don't know. You take your chances. But for those of you who need the moisture and you like the thickness, try these two together. Really good. Let me know what you think. This gel can hold up to most leave-ins in my opinion. So yeah, it held up to this one really good, and I got a long-lasting wash and go with this. This is why this made it back to my favorites. It just works. It works. And it doesn't flake with a lot of stuff. So everything I've used that African Pride gel with, again, it doesn't flake. So try that with any leave-in. You'll get a good wash and go. Okay, another wash and go that I love, made it to my favorites, is the Curl Show Mousse and Curl Creator Gel. Just recently used this again and filmed some other videos, and you guys were like, oh, I love your hair. Oh, your hair is this, and oh, the curls are popping. It was this. It was this. I have a video on my channel. I'll link it in the cards where I used it, I think last year. And I brought it back out and got a phenomenal wash and go again. So this is really good. Did not use a leave-in with it, just went in with this and then this. My hair was moisturized for days. Y'all saw it. The shine was there, the definition was there, the movement was there, everything was there. I did not pick this up over Black Friday, guys. I'm mad about that, and it's down to here, so I don't have a lot left, so I'm about to savor these two. I do want to use, did I use this curl mousse for a twist out? I don't think I did, but so I do want to use this, you know, for a twist out or something like that. But this gel, I'm on a no buy, so I can't buy it. So I'm gonna have to wait till I really want that type of hair again to use these two again together. But this was really good, and this is affordable. This combination is affordable. So if you haven't tried out Curl Show, what y'all waiting on? What you waiting on? Try it out. Try it out. And listen, inexpensive. You know, it's under $10. Under $10 a piece. Okay? Okay, so another favorite of mine is the Curl Origin Honey and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Mousse along with the matching gelée. Again, match made in heaven. Guys, y'all see a pattern here? I love me a good mousse gel combo. It's something about it. I love a leave-in and gel combo too, but it's something about a mousse and gel combo. They dry quicker to me. The mousse just helps give extra hold or something. I don't know what it is, but I like it. It gives me the movement, the look, the bigness that I want and everything. And then, you know, lasts me a good 4 or 5 days. I rinse it, wash it out, and then go on about my business. But this is good. You have to order these products, so you know, there's that. But this is a really good combo. Another combo I think I talked about in my favorites gels is that if you use this with the matching leave-in and this gel, and then you top it with the wet line, that's a really good combo as well. So that gives you a little bit more hold. It gives you, use the leave-in for the moisture. For those of you who, you know, don't want to just do a mousse, do the leave-in, the gel, and then the wet line on top. That's a really good combo too, using these. So yeah, they do have a leave-in to this line. It's called the Whipped something. It was in my favorite leave-ins. So yeah, this line is just a really good line to me. I love Curl Origin in general. I do have a discount code for Curl Origin, so I will leave it here on the screen for you guys if you want to save a little money if you decide to try them out. So yeah. Okay, another combo that is really good is the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Conditioner with the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink. I just recently did this combination on my channel and it worked out really well. Did I film this or did I just talk about it? I don't remember. But I love this conditioner. I used it as a leave-in, not a rinse out. So I used it as a leave-in, and then I went in with the Don't Shrink and got a really good wash and go. If you watched any of my vlogs, you would have seen it in my vlogs, how my hair held up. I think I got like 6 days with this, 6 or 7 days. Now it did get frizzier over the days, but I was okay with that. But yeah, it stayed moisturized. Okay, this right here will moisturize your hair. It stayed moisturized. Even in this cold weather we're having with snow and all that kind of stuff, it stayed moisturized, it stayed defined, with a little bit of frizz mixed in. So this is a really good combo as well. Okay, and you can find these on the ground. And then of course, you guys know that I love Eden Body Works Aloe Lavender line. I love this combo together, the leave-in and the gel. Talked about that when I talked about my favorite gels. I said these two go together real bad, and I love these two. It gives me fluffy hair, soft hair, movable hair, touchable hair, all the things. I love this. I just wish this was in a bigger jar, but I love this gel. To me, this one doesn't give me as much shine as I get with some of the other ones, but that's okay, because again, I'm not trying to get 7 days. My hair looks healthy, so on day 4 or 5, I'm redoing my hair anyway. But this is good when you want big hair on day 1 and you want touchable hair. I mean, I just love it. First of all, I don't want everybody hands in my hair. I don't like that. Now, if I know you, that's something different. But if you're gonna touch my hair, somebody goes to reach and touch my hair and they say, oh, your hair is so pretty or whatever, and they touch it and then they pull back and say, oh my gosh, it's so soft. I love that. I don't like them pulling back, talking about, oh, your hair is hard. What you got in your hair? It's all crunchy. What did you? Don't nobody want to hear that. Don't nobody. I don't. You might. If you like crunchy hair, you might. But I want to hear, oh, it's so soft. Oh, it smells good. Oh, whatever. Now, this does have a lavender scent. So if you are sensitive to scents, this might not work for you. If you don't like lavender, this might not work for you. But if you like touchable, fluffy, defined hair that's soft, that's big, that's beautiful on day 1, you might give this a try. I'm just saying, you might give it a try. Moisturized hair. I mean, for me, most of these combos, or all of these combos, give me moisturized wash and goes. Yeah, all of them give me moisturized wash and goes. Now, this Aunt Jackie's to me can be a little bit drying, and that is why I put this underneath it. But when I put these two together, I didn't have to deal with that dryness. But all these other ones, for the most part, give me really nice moisturized hair that I don't have to worry about, you know, re-moisturizing during the week and stuff like that. That's for me. So hopefully it will do the same for you. Now, some of these have glycerin high up on the list, so you look at that. But again, these are ones that are not gummy. I've had some that's high up on the list that's real sticky and gummy, and I can't. But these don't give me that feeling to my hair, so I enjoy that about them as well. Now guys, I did want to give you an honorable mention. I don't have this gel on hand, but it used to be one of my favorites. And if you like the main choice, it was the Tropical Moringa Braid Out Glaze. That was my favorite gel from them. I'm out of it. I used to keep stocked up on that. People have said that ingredients changed. I don't know if they have or not, but I don't have it on hand anymore. But when I had that Curl Love with that Tropical Moringa, worked really well, as well as the avocado cream with that Tropical Moringa. It worked really well too. I think I have these on my channel. I will try to link them if I do. So for those of you who have that gel on hand and want to know what it goes with, these two work well with that gel. And I'm on a no buy, so I can't even pick that gel up, but I'm remembering that gel and I love that gel. Yeah, I love that gel. But anyway guys, so that is it for my favorite wash and go combos. Hopefully you found something in here that intrigued you and you will give it a try, and hopefully it'll work for you as well. If you do try something that I mentioned, let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. If you have a favorite combo that I didn't mention, jot it in the comment section. We want to learn from you as well. And guys, yeah, that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.